Hey everybody, this is Melvin with Tech Running 24/7, and in today's video we want to show you how to put pictures on your Galaxy Watch 3. Now for demonstration purposes we have our 41mm Galaxy Watch 3, and the color of it that we have displayed here is the Mystic Bronze. Now the Galaxy Watch 3 comes in two different sizes. It comes in the 41mm size and the 45mm sizes. And the colors are Mystic Bronze, like you see here. There's also a Mystic Silver and a Mystic Black. And so in the 41mm, there's only the Mystic Bronze and the Mystic Silver. And in the 45mm is only the Mystic Black and the Mystic Silver. Now, if you guys are interested in any of these, we will leave links for you down in the description area. Also, we'll be using our Samsung Galaxy A20 phone to send pictures from the phone to the watch. And so with that being said, let's go ahead and get started. First thing we want to do is check the watch to see how many pictures we have on it. And so as you remember, the bottom button is for home and the top button here is for back. So we're going to hit the home button and it takes us to our home screen. And if you notice the three little dots at the top of the screen, that tells you how many apps, it tells you how many screens that you have with apps on it. So we have three different screens. So the first thing we need to find is the Galaxy or the Gallery app. Now, if you can see from here, if you get a little closer, the Gallery app looks like that on the phone. And so that's the same app that they will have on the watch. And so it's not on this particular page. So we're going to scroll to the next page. And there we see the Gallery app there. So what we want to do is scroll around to it real quick. And as you see, it says Gallery. We're going to tap on it to open it. Once it's open, we do have one pic on there. So we're going to tap on it to look at it a little closer. And that is a picture of the Gear S3 watch. And so that looks pretty good. It looks pretty good on the watch itself. And make a quick note, if you guys didn't know it, on the previous edition of the Galaxy Watch, which was just called Galaxy Watch, you only had 4 gigs of storage or memory on the watch itself. Now for the Galaxy Watch 3, we have 8 gigs, so we have double the storage, which means that we have more room to put more pictures, more music, and more apps on our device. And so what we're going to do now is hit the back button. We have only one picture on the watch, and so we want to add some pictures to the watch. So we're going to hit our back button and come all the way out of that. Go all the way back to the watch face. You'll set our watch down, and then we're going to reach up here and grab our Galaxy A20 phone. Now the first thing we need to do is locate our Galaxy Wearable app, and it's generally in the Samsung folder. So we tap the Samsung folder. We see our Galaxy Wearable app, which is here. We tap on that to open it. And once it's open, we want to scroll down to where we will see add content to your watch. And that's it here, right here. Add content to your watch, music and images. So tap on that to open it. Once it's open, you'll see that it says music at the top, add tracks, or beneath it says images, copy images to watch. So what we want to do is tap on that to copy images to watch. And it's going to send us to our gallery to decide what pictures we might want to send to the watch. And so let's just choose one pic. Let's go with this iPhone watch there in the red band, and then we're gonna hit done. Once we hit done, it goes to where it says it's going to copy it over to our watch. And watch the percentage here. It says 0. It's going, when it gets to 100%, it will have sent the picture to the watch. Now that did it really quick. It went from 0 to 100 within a second or two. And so now we're going to come out of the screen, hit our home button, go back to the home screen, and we're going to set the phone down. Then we're going to reach back up here and grab our watch. And so when we grab our watch, we're going to hit the home button, and we want to go back to the gallery. And so remember what we had before? We only had one picture in the gallery. So we're going to tap it now, and then we just sent one. So now you can see we have 2 pictures in the gallery. And so this one was of the Galaxy Watch. Excuse me, this is of the Gear S3 watch. And the other picture, hit our back button, and the other picture is of an iPhone watch with a red band. And so we'll hit our back button on that. I'm going to show you something real quick. I believe if you touch that picture, you can turn your bezel and scroll back and forth to the pictures. So those are the two pictures that are on our phone now. So we're going to hit our back button a couple more times, go back to our watch face. And we want to do that one more time to make sure you guys got the hang of how to send it to the watch. So we're going to go back and grab our Galaxy A20. We're going to go back to Samsung folder, go back to the Galaxy or the Gear wearable app, open it, and then go to where it says copy images. And then we're going to hit our download folder where we have our pictures at. This time, let's choose, let's send, I don't know, let's send 3 pictures. And so we're going to send this pair of headphones here. We're going to send this glittery Apple Watch, and then we're going to send that MacBook Pro picture. So we have 3 different pictures that we want to send over to the watch. And so if we hit done, takes us to the screen. It shows us the 3 pictures it's going to send, and it has the status bar and the percentage as it's trying to send those pictures. It should take a few seconds here and starts to tick off at any moment. Now sometimes it takes a little longer than others. This time around it's taking a little longer because we have 3 pictures that we're trying to send. So there it goes at 33%, 66%, 100%. And so it has just sent those 3 images. So we're going to hit our home button to go back to our home screen on our phone. And now we're going to go back to the Galaxy Watch. We're going to pick it up, hit our home button, scroll around to the gallery, which is already there. Tap on that. Now we had 2 pictures on it, so we added 2 others. So now we should have a total of 5. So which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pictures. And this is one of the new pics we chose, which was a pair of yellow earplugs. And hit the back button. The other picture was of a glittery Apple Watch. You see that there, and you can even see the writing. You can kind of zoom in if you want to. Take your fingers and spread out the words, and you can see how it says how to make your Apple Watch sparkle. And so you can shrink it back down to where it was. Hit the back button, tap on that, and that was our 3rd picture. Was a picture of a MacBook Pro. We're gonna hit the back button again. So let's go to the very first pick we had, which was the Gear S3 watch. Like we said, you can turn the bezel, skip around. That's Apple Watch with the red band, the yellow earplugs, the bling bling Apple Watch, and the MacBook Pro. So there we go. That worked out really well. And so that's about it for our video. How to transfer or how to put pictures on your Gear Watch 3. So hopefully we shared something that you can use and something that was beneficial. If so, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below and hit the like button. And don't forget to hit the bell icon too, so you can be notified of new content as soon as we release it. And again, this is Melvin with Tech Running 24/7, bringing you technology that's on the move. Thanks.